on its scope, function, origin, and subject matter. These classifications help in understanding the nature and operation of law in society. Municipal and international law. Public and private law. Substantive and procedural law. Civil law and criminal law. Common law and civil law. 1. Classification of laws, municipal and international law. Municipal law, national or domestic law. Meaning, municipal law refers to the internal law of a sovereign state that governs persons, property, and relationships within its territorial boundaries. It includes all rules, statutes, customs, judicial decisions, and administrative regulations that are enforced by the state. Characteristics. Operates within a particular country. Enforced by national courts and administrative bodies. Deals with the rights, duties, and obligations of citizens and residents. Divided into various branches. Public law, constitutional, administrative, criminal law. Private law, contract law, tort law, property law, family law. Examples. The Constitution of India. Indian Penal Code, IPC, 1860. Indian Contract Act, 1872. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. International law, law of nations. Meaning, international law governs the relations between sovereign states, international organizations, and, in certain contexts, individuals. It aims to promote peace, security, cooperation, and justice among nations. Branches. Public international law regulates conduct between states, international organizations, and sometimes individuals, example, treaties, diplomatic immunity. Private international law, conflict of laws determines which jurisdictions municipal law applies in cross-border private disputes, example, international marriage, contracts, succession. Characteristics. Operates beyond national boundaries. Depends on the consent of states for its creation and enforcement. Primarily enforced by international courts and tribunals, example, ICJ, ICC. Treaty mechanisms. Diplomatic channels and sanctions. Sources of international law. Treaties and conventions. Customary international law. General principles of law recognized by civilized nations. Judicial decisions of international courts. Examples. United Nations Charter, 1945. Geneva Conventions, 1949. Paris Agreement on Climate Change, 2015. Key differences between municipal and international law. 2. Classification of laws, public and private law. Introduction. The classification of law into public law and private law is one of the most fundamental divisions in any legal system. It is based on the nature of legal relationships that the law governs. Whether the law regulates relationships involving the state as sovereign authority, public law, or relationships between private individuals where the state acts as a neutral adjudicator, private law. This distinction originated in Roman law and continues in modern legal systems. Public law. Definition. Public law is the branch of law that governs the structure and functioning of the state and its relationships with individuals. It ensures that state power is exercised in a lawful manner and protects the public interest. According to Salmond, public law deals with matters that affect the state or government directly. Purpose. To regulate the powers and duties of the state and its officials. To protect public order and general welfare. To balance the authority of the state with the rights of the people. Key features. The state acts in its sovereign capacity, superior position. Concerned with public interest, public welfare, and order. Breach of public law may result in penalties, punishments, or sanctions. Provides mechanisms for control of government powers, example judicial review. Branches of public law. 1. Constitutional law. Governs the organization, powers, and functions of the government. Protects fundamental rights and liberties, e.g. Articles 14, 19, 21 of Indian Constitution. 2. Administrative law. Controls the actions of administrative authorities. Deals with issues such as delegation of power, administrative discretion, principles of natural justice. 3. Criminal law. Defines offences against the state society at large. Prescribes punishments for offences, example theft, murder, assault. Example, Indian Penal Code, 1860. 4. Other branches. Revenue law, taxation. Election law. Examples. The Constitution of India, 1950. Right to Information Act, 2005. Indian Penal Code, 1860. Administrative Tribunals Act, 1985. Private law. Definition. Private law governs the relationships between private individuals or private legal entities, where the state plays a role of neutral umpire rather than sovereign. According to Salmond, private law is concerned with the rights and duties of individuals inter se. Purpose. To protect individual interests and rights. To provide legal remedies to resolve private disputes. To uphold contracts, agreements, and civil rights. Key features. State is not a party in its sovereign capacity. Concerned with individual rights, duties, and liabilities. Provides for compensation, restitution, or specific performance rather than punishment. Parties are generally on an equal legal footing. Branches of private law. Law of contracts governs legally enforceable agreements, example sale, lease, service agreements. Law of torts governs civil wrongs causing harm or injury, example negligence, defamation. Family law governs personal relationships, example marriage, divorce, adoption. Property law deals with ownership, possession, and transfer of property. Law of succession governs inheritance and transfer of property upon death. Examples. Indian Contract Act, 1872. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. Transfer of Property Act, 1882. Indian Succession Act, 1925. Key differences between public and private law. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.